Disassembly. Bend the belt as far back as you can with both hands, holding it with one hand and twisting one of the locks 90 degrees with the other hand parallel to the groove of the belt. Pull the link end from the lock, turn the buckle end of the belt 90 degrees, and pull out from the two link pieces connection point. Assembly. Lock point outwards, pass the final lock through both link pieces at the same time. Continue to bend the belt, twist the lock with your thumb, and insert the second lock into the end of the link piece, making sure that the lock is in the correct position to cross the belt. Turn the belt upside down with all the latches on the inside. Measurement. Put the belt on the pulley, pull it tight by hand and overlap the two locks of end with the corresponding link pieces buttonhole when pulling it tight. It is recommended to mark the belt with a pen to ensure that the correct number of link pieces are removed. Remove the belt and remove the marked lock. To get the correct belt mounting length and ensure belt tension during operation, just count the number of remaining links. To remove one link at every 24 links, except for types C and D, which need to remove one link at every 20 links. For easy operation, every 10 links are marked with a direction indicating arrow. Installation. Determine drive direction. The belt must be driven with the direction of the lock, or move according to the direction indicating arrow on the belt. When installing the belt, lock inward. Install the belt first in the nearest belt groove of the small belt wheel, and then roll the belt onto the large belt wheel. Slowly turn the driver. The belt may appear very tight, but it does not matter. Make sure that the belt does not twist out the pulley. For multi-belt parallel transmission, the belt should be installed in turn. If it is a particularly wide transmission belt, it is better to install half from the inside and half from the outside.